In front of me is Honor 400 power, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. Begin by going into tab menu and looking for location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue, which means that location is on. To turn it off, tap on the same shortcut until it's gray. You can also go into devices settings. Scroll down to click on location section. And use the switcher next to use location to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!